In this video, let us continue solving word problems based on quadratic equations. And here we've got a problem which reads like this. The speed of a boat in still water is 15 kilometers per hour. It can go 30 kilometers upstream and return downstream to the original point in 4 hours and 30 minutes. Find the speed of the stream. Alright, so it's fine. Now, the most important thing as far as a boat and a stream problem is that the assumptions that you make are the most important thing. Now here, the speed of a boat in still water is clearly given as 15 kilometers per hour. That's fine. But then, it doesn't just end there, right? The stream has got a speed of its own. When you're going downstream, the speed of the boat is going to be more than 15. When you're going upstream, the speed of the boat is going to be less than 15. So first, let us assume the speed of the stream. Okay, let the speed of the stream be equal to x kilometers per hour, right? So then when you get this, what you can establish is that you can establish the speed downstream. The speed downstream is going to be what? It's going to be more, x plus 15 kilometers per hour. And the speed upstream is definitely going to be what? It's definitely going to be 15 minus x. It's not going to be greater, right? It's going to be 15 minus x kilometers per hour. Yes, we could write 15 plus x here to to make it look uniform. So speed downstream is definitely going to be greater than 15. Speed upstream is going to be less than 15 because the stream is going to be flowing the opposite side to the direction of your travel when you're traveling upstream. So now that we've established these things, we can find the time out, right? The time taken by the boat to go 30 kilometers upstream and then 30 kilometers downstream, because see, it can go 30 kilometers upstream and then return downstream. So that's another 30 kilometers. So that when you add those two distances, the time taken to travel 30 kilometers upstream and the time taken to return downstream, you're going to get 4.5 hours. So now, another important thing is time taken for the boat to go upstream. Time is nothing but, again, speed is distance by time. Time is distance by speed. So distance is what? 30 kilometers. 30 divided by speed upstream is 15 minus x hours. And then time taken downstream is 30 divided by 15 plus x hours, right? So this is the point where you get to form the equation. It says it can go 30 kilometers upstream and return downstream to the original point in 4.5 hours. So you add these two times, it's going to consume 4.5 hours for you. That's all. So that there is the equation there. So once you get that, you're done. So see, 30 divided by 15 minus x plus 30 divided by 15 plus x is going to give you 4.5 hours, right? So that means what? This is in hours, so 4.5 is a mixed fraction. So let us write 4.5 hours. So that's going to be a 9 by 2. Let's see it. So here we're going to get 30 times 15 plus x. And here it's 30 times 15 minus x divided by a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So 15 square minus x square equals 9 by 2. So yeah, so now taking out 30 common, we've got 15 plus x plus 15 minus x divided by 225 minus x squared equals 9 by 2. So here the x and x gets cancelled. 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 into 30 is 900. So 900 divided by 225 minus x squared equals 9 by 2. So another cross multiplication in store for us. So now rewriting this, we get 900 times 2, cross multiplying, we get 1800 equals 9 times 225 minus x squared. So well, 9 goes 200 times in 1800. So you get 200 equals 225 minus x squared, or rearranging it, we get x squared equals 225 minus 200. So x squared equals 25, or x equals plus or minus root of 25, or x equals plus 5, or minus 5. So the speed of the stream again cannot be negative, so it's going to be x equals 5, which is nothing but 5 kilometers per hour. So what we found is, we found the speed of the stream to be 5 kilometers per hour, and that's what we have to find. So another straightforward simple problem. As long as you can form the equation, it's done. You just have to concentrate on getting here. So once you get here, it's all about simple operations. So assume what you have to find. The speed of the stream is x kilometers per hour. If the speed of the stream is x, then the downstream is going to be more than the speed of the boat. Upstream is going to be less than the speed of the boat. That's little logic. So once you get that, you need to get to the time, because the sum of the times of the upstream and the downstream travel comes up to 4.5 hours. So you need to get there. For that, you need to know this formula. Time equals distance by speed. So that's all. So that ends this problem as well as this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more word problems on quadratic equations.